Hey guys, Captain Crunch coming at you again in another video. I hope you're having a great day today. In today's video, we have this boat here that really struggles to get onto the trailer, guys. You're not going to want to miss any of the action here. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Remember to like, share, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know what you think of the video. As well, guys, if you'd like to support the channel, feel free to use the links in the description below to purchase some merch. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all guys at the boat ramp. Peace. Microphone going in 1, 2, 3. Trying to block most of this wind, but let's see what happens, guys. Going deeper is not the answer, guys. So they're too deep right now. Way too deep. Now they're just spinning because it's not even on the trailer anymore. They went too deep. What they need to do is pull up, get it on the winch, crank it up, instead of going deeper. They'll figure it out. Outboard's gonna hit that inboard, my fault. The ladder just dragging back there. Poquito más. It's gonna keep falling down, guys. It's just the steep angle. You gotta First video of the year, guys. First day, February 1st, 2025. Guys, can you believe we've been doing this for almost 2 years straight now? It'll be 2 years at the beginning of May. This is crazy. We still got a bunch of trailers out here. We have 15 trailers left, guys. They've just been coming in slow and steady, just filtering out. We might move on to another boat ramp. We'll see what happens. Hopefully we get some to move, but we'll see. It's going good so far. It's a good day. Usually it's pretty slow around the first anyway, so. It's usually pretty slow around the first video of the year anyway, but did that ladder just to drag it. Right there. I'm able to get out finally.